Once we have our lemons ready to go, we're going to clean them up just a little bit more so we can chop them and put them in the pan. I like to soak them in water. This gets any of the extra salt off. They can be a little bitter and a little too salty if you don't do this. They're all clean. You could pat them dry if you need to. Go ahead and line them up and then give them a slice. You can. In the pot, I have a whole container of those little grape tomatoes, 3 cloves of garlic, and 3 of those preserved lemons chopped up. We're going to add in our shrimp. We'll add in just a pinch of salt. Not too much salt because the salt is in those preserved lemons and it's really, really easy to oversalt your dish. Then a little bit of red pepper flake for heat. You know your shrimp are cooked when they make the letter C. C means cooked. If they make an O and they're too tight, that means overcooked. Okay, perfect. I leave the tails on to maximize eatability. Gives you somewhere to pick them up. Super hot, straight off the fire. Okay. So there you go. Preserved lemon shrimp with pan roasted tomatoes. I hope you love it. I hope you try it at home. Super easy weeknight dish. Enjoy.